What's going on, guys? What is happening today? Whoa, whoa. Mm, mm, mm. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, dun, 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 dun. Society. Really tired.
Connected.
Does your footprint have athlete's foot, Sam? Does it stink sometimes? Does it get itchy? Does it drive you nuts?
You know what? It hasn't got.
We'd like to know.
athlete's
We just
foot.
want to know.
It's got trench foot today. It's got trench foot.
Okay, gotcha. That's good. That's good.
Yeah.
Totally makes sense. All right, we're gonna ring this bell here. A la the NYSE. Ding, 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 ding,
So-
ding, 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 ding.
So
We is
we're
open.
already opening quite bullish.
open.
We haven't even opened.
Yeah. And there we are. There we
official.
are.
All right, let's see what happens.
All right.
Let's get
Responsive
cumulative
buying
is
right out the
slightly
gate.
positive,
Swing high. Yeah.
and then right down. It's gonna be a range day.
You're too late.
There it is.
You're about 3 seconds too late. I thought you were going to say it faster. Range day.
Telling you now, it's the range day.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Good. Make it range north. Good morning, Robert. You can go back to sleep, man. There's not much going on today. We have no news. Continuous government shutdown. You know.
Yeah.
Normal buyers came out strong.
Markets S is asking inverted head and shoulders. I don't know. I don't trade patterns. I just don't recognize it. But if it works for you, if you see an advantage to a head and shoulder pattern or any of these other things, then trade them. I mean, I don't think any of the coaches here are going to tell you, we see a pattern, you got to get in because of a pattern. Patterns are just, it's funny. Your eyes will play tricks on you. You'll see whatever it is you want to see. You can make a trend line and you can move the trend line constantly for every little breakout or breakdown you've got, and it'll just, do its thing. So we've already retested the overnight low here. Very good. Very, very good. And I've been, by the way, I'm long since in my cash account since before we opened. So this is a good move for me. I'm targeting 67.96 up here with about 5 contracts. So we'll see what that happens. I'm not doing it here on this account. I'm trying to pass another account today. Passed one yesterday. So I got a new $150,000 one-step prime account. We'll continue to grow.
Yeah.
But yeah, I am long in my cash, but I'm not putting it in on the screen because it's not showing here.
Yeah.
All right, IB overnight low is touched. IB, we can move this puppy. Change it. IB high. Still expanding range. Look at this range, baby. Wow. Let's get through this liquidity. Beautiful. Beautiful. Point of control is shifted. 67.92 half. We are holding ES up at the top here. We are, have we gotten to yesterday's? We're above yesterday's value area now. It's good. This is good. It's a good, strong move here. This is what I wanted to see. I was prepared for anything, but I was thinking initially bullish out the gate. And we're just coming back in over point of control. Let's see it hold and continue north. Delta's getting bigger. Yeah, it's doing its thing. It's doing its thing.
I have no clue what's going to happen. I feel almost blind.
I have no clue either.
It's just
you got lag though. Your issue is you got lag issues too with your computer, so you got to be careful.
Yeah, but I'm not going to enter anything because I like I said, I've got no area to trade. It's almost I'm just going to have to trade the footprint alone and hope that something so obvious appears on the footprint that I can actually take a shot on it. But it's not looking good for me today. It's looking like a very slow day for me.
Hola, mi amigo. 350 back. Welcome, 350. What time's the algo today? 350? The 350 algo. I think it is. I think it's the 350 algo. All right. IB, we're trading down to VWAP. Holding in the ES. Let's see if we can break back north out of this little consolidation we've got here. This is a good sign.
Cattle. Long cattle, live cattle.
I am long ES on Hola Prime 2, jumping in on top. All right, so let's see here. Got in kind of a late jump. It just jumped above point of control again. Down here. Yeah, we'll stay below low volume. And we'll put our take profit over 6,800. For a stop pick, I won't be as aggressive and target all-time highs just yet. So I'm long ES for anybody who wants to ride the wave.
I'm waiting.
What did I get in? 67.92 half. 67.92. All right. Cool.
Yeah.
We're back up at open swing high. Let's see if we can push it. Push it real good.
Push it.
There we go. We're getting to it. Eat the liquidity. Oh yeah, this is beautiful. This is just beautiful. Come on.
Nice.
Boom,
Very
ba-dum,
nice.
bum,
There we go. Look at this. Get up there. 6,800. Come on. You know you want to get there. Oh yeah, very nice aggressive push. I'm in the break even here. So I'm locked in. Let's just trail this puppy. Keep going. Let's go. Nice and nice, baby. Nice and nice.
Order filled.
Lock in some profit. We'll
Stop
lock in
filled.
some. It could
Trail
come
the
back.
puppy.
Let's trail it. Trail mix, baby. Push it real good. Exactly, moderator Mike.
Order
He
filled.
knows that we like to play. Come
Stop
on.
filled.
Yep, there you go. Wow, what a
See
move.
nothing.
What a bullish move here. The ES is going. There you go, 68.
I'm
Come
gonna
on.
stick to my thesis. I'm sticking to my thesis that this is going to be a range day. In which
It
case,
still could.
when are we at
Even
the
though
top
we're
of the
getting up
range?
here, it could be a range day. Dude, this is a great move.
Getting close
This is
to this range, so
Damn good move.
let's start looking at
Great move. Let's go.
potentially. Ooh, I
Get up
see an
there.
area. That was sneaky. I never even noticed
Boom.
that area.
Boom.
Dude, yes, look at that.
All
man.
right.
That
Took
is
me out of my
amazing.
cash account too. This is huge. This is a great trade. That was a good initial trade, if I don't say so myself.
What a move. My goodness.
Yeah. That was good.
Ooh. All right, I see a potential short.
Order
coming up.
filled.
Yep. You were the
In
pullbacks.
the area 25,375 all the way up to 25,385. So quite a big area, but that area I do see a gap in volume that could spark off a push down. Especially would make sense if we are on a range day. That would be exactly what you would expect.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Here we go, we're in it. Let's see, do the sellers come in? That's the question. Buyers trapped a little bit at the top. All right, I've jumped in for a quick sell. I've got my finger on flatten just in case.
Yep.
Expecting some kind of, there we go.
You want to switch over?
Down.
Stop
You want to
filled.
switch over to your screen or
I haven't got it shared at the moment. I haven't got it shared, and my finger's on flatten. But don't worry,
Got it.
Uh,
That's fine.
I'm gonna be
cattle
getting.
trade
No,
did
it's just
get
rare that you get it. It's rare that you get in them, so I'm like, maybe we could show your foot. Well, you won't show your footprint. That's the thing. It's not
Maybe.
going to show up.
Yeah, I can't show the footprint.
Point of control just
As long
shifted.
as the tenant.
Point of control in the
I really
ES
wanna-
now is up here at 68,
I want to pay
6,001.
attention
Boy,
100
bullish.
foot absorption.
My cattle position I was at, I get out of it slightly better than break even. I got stopped out there. Was looking for the quick move up and it didn't occur. Came back after a little quick move, stopped me out. It looks like it's trying to go to the upside, but the volume is a little wonky
Order
at the
filled.
moment, so just keeping an eye on it. Gold.
Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum, bum. Okay.
Stop
Let me see if I can
filled.
share the screen quickly. I'm still in the trade.
Hmm.
Ah, come on, you
Oh,
stupid.
cool.
Order
Cute.
filled.
It's so slow. I really want to
All
get
right, I'm
out.
back.
So I'm quite a decent.
We're gonna break out here. We're gonna break
Come
out.
on,
We're gonna
share
break out.
quickly.
Yo,
Share.
down more.
All right, I'm back end. You can switch to my screen if it's sharing. Let me full screen it.
Oh.
I'm not even looking at the footprint right now, and I have no idea what's going on. Okay, now I can look. What am I seeing? 100. Oh, that doesn't look. There's sellers trapped at the bottom of this candle, which I don't like. I might have to get out here.
I'm back in long.
Let's give it. See
I'm
if
back
sellers
in
come
long.
Back in. Come on,
I'm back
sellers.
in.
I should have got out.
3
8,
lots.
so. Never take your eye off the footprint. All right, a bit of sell pressure coming in. It's fine. It's looking okay. Let's see if these sellers can not remain trapped. If they start remaining trapped, I'm gonna have to get out here.
All right.
They're getting
I'm back in my
absorbed
long
every time.
production crew. Yeah, this is gonna eat through here.
All right.
I got to take profit
Wow.
at a new all-time high of
I'm gonna
68.15.
wait for a better.
Let's see it get there.
I'm waiting for a better
Let's see it
entry.
rip. Let's go, baby.
I don't like the absorption we're having. There's a lot of sellers at the bottom here that are just not able to get out the market. But let me just write up these levels because I feel like it might come back for a
350, you
retest
can-
and I could jump in again. 375.
350, you can get out anywhere you want. You can get out at 68.05. There's a bunch of contracts. There's like 325 contracts sitting there. If we get through that liquidity, but if we're making this move up like we are right now, I would hold for at least an all-time high retest if you can do it. If you can manage, if you can manage to hold to 68.12 and a half, which is the all-time high currently, that's a good trade. Now trail, get into break even, and then that way you don't give it all back. If we just get shy of it or we don't do anything, I mean anything's possible. We may not even. We could just roll over right here, right? So have a stop in place. Trade management is key. Do all the right things we talk about.
Yeah, I got long on a little.
see.
I got long on that pop there, so we'll see if it is a fake out or not for the ES here.
Yeah.
Stop filled.
Yeah, it doesn't look like it will be. Looks like it's just holding right on point of control. Point of control is right here at the high of the session so far. So we're building. We gotta.
Keep rejecting
you know.
that area.
Order filled.
Yeah. I mean,
Let's
look,
see.
it's
If we
early.
break below this area, I'm going to be happy to short it quite well. Technically, I should be buying right now because there's a gap here that's been created. But I have this kind of gut that we're in a range day. If we are in a range day, this area will break. So I really want to see what happens here. But there are still sellers trapped in this little box here. So we have the same play as what we saw yesterday, where there was trap buyers and trap sellers on either side, and one side will win. So there's trap buyers here, there's trap sellers here, and they're kind of just bouncing between each other, trying to battle it out. One side is going to win. At this point in time, no one knows, no one will know until it happens. So then you can make your decision.
Right.
But until then, yeah. Trade management is very important.
There you go.
Probably more important than trade
Let's go,
entry a lot of
buyers.
the time. Having good
It
trade
is.
management.
Yeah. I believe that. I certainly believe that.
Yeah.
Come on.
See if we can't get on the ES. We have to try and eat through the 6805 area.
Yeah.
I think that 6805 area would be nice to eat through, and then maybe we would see.
Here we go. Here we go.
A nicer break.
Here we go. Keep talking, Paul. It likes it. It likes your voice. It's going up.
Come on. Go eat it. Go eat that. Go eat your breakfast.
Yeah.
Go eat your
There
breakfast.
we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go.
All right, so we've broken out.
Move. Beautiful.
But I think this could still be a
Get through
trap.
it
So
now.
I'm still more leaning to the sell side at
That's
this
fine.
second. I want to see what happens between these two blue lines. That is an area I can imagine sellers will defend very well. Oh, lots of sellers came in. Let's see if they're able to hold back those buyers. Nah, they've got absorbed very quickly. Oh, they're still coming in. You know what? It's worth a trade. Like that. Stop loss. If it breaks above that, then I'm wrong. But it's worth it because I can feel I've only put 2 contracts in. If we break above that blue line, then I know it's over. Yeah, all right. It's pretty much over. Let's see if these sellers... It's worth a stab at it, just to have something. Yeah. I can see sellers coming in, but they might be a bit weak. They're getting absorbed a bit, but they might come in with a bit more pressure. And because I'm literally... My stop can be so tight now, it's worth taking a stab at it, in my opinion.
Yeah. I got out of my position for a little 212 gain in the challenge account here.
Yeah, no,
so
good,
but Daryl, I wouldn't be surprised to see this continue going. I just wanted to take something off the table here in the morning. I wanted to get a win on the board.
I agree. On the day, start out with a good trade. Right, and that's an important thing. Sorry, Sam. That's what you just said there, Paul, is very important because oftentimes just bagging that little win, that good trade early kind of sets the tone on the day. And you can always get back in later, right? So it's a very good point that you said that. I did kind of the same as you. I'm still in the trade in the long, but I just happen to move into beyond break even and I'm trailing at like $387. So I've locked that in, right? So it's like I just kind of bagged that. Right. We'll see where we go if we get through this 6805, which it looks like we're starting to creep up through.
Yeah, the sellers are trying to break it down. I can see them, but they're not coming in strong enough to really make an impact. They got absorbed very quickly at the bottom of this blue line. I'm going to allow either my TP or stop loss to get hit. I'm not going to interfere with this trade. But I can see the sellers always trying to come in here. If they add a bit more pressure, we can definitely drop a bit more drastically.
Yeah, absolutely.
We've got a super tight stop, so it's all good.
Order filled.
Yeah, I can see them trying to come in. They're really, really trying, these sellers. Come on, sellers. Let's see what you got.
Come on, sellers. Let's see, is Goolsby talking?
Going in for another shot.
All right, I came back.
Order filled.
It took me out in profit.
They
came
keep
back
getting
on me.
absorbed.
Okay, that's fine.
They are getting absorbed heavily, the sellers. Technically, I should really be getting out because I'll let them give it. There we go. Bit of sell pressure came in right there. Finally. And they got absorbed instantly, dropped 100 contracts. I don't think this is going to play out, to be fair. All right, I'm getting out. I don't think it's playing out. The seller, I think it's going to keep going up.
We're going up. We are going up.
They're just not making any progress.
All right. 10 minutes, we've got Michigan consumer sentiment. Just for all those, just to remind you.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Stop filled.
Where do I get in?
No.
3. Keep it underneath 6,800. 98, 5-point stop. Okay. All right.
Oh, Sam, if you could
to that low volume, right?
If you could check your chat or whatever. Production wants you to check the Google chat if possible.
Order filled.
Okay.
Real quick. All right, Dow is really coming down now too.
Oh my God!
Yeah,
it happened.
That was your short. That was your short, Sam. That was your short.
Oh, it was actually. What happened? Oh yeah, they came in a minute after I exited.
Right to view up.
The sellers really came in. It is a range day. I was right.
It's good. It's a good, healthy rotation.
That is fine. That was a perfect entry as well.
Back to mid. I am. Is it going to hold? Is it going to hold? It's holding. I'm back in long. Man, I'm trading 2 accounts. I gotta be quick here. Whew. Trading 2
Quick.
accounts.
Order filled.
I know.
Order
yes,
filled.
Of course. Sorry, guys. Not you guys, but other guys. I forgot about news.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to stop.
Oh,
sharing
don't do
I can't,
this.
I can't.
Don't do this. Don't come back down on me.
Yeah, no worries.
Don't come
Damn,
back
I
down
called
on
that
me.
perfectly.
Yeah.
You
you
I
really
was
did.
a
did,
little
man.
bit too early. That's the problem. I was a little bit too early, and I didn't give it enough time to allow the sellers to do what I thought they would do. Back end, you can switch to anyone's screen because I've stopped sharing mine for now because I need to sort this out.
Oh, sure.
So annoying. Very annoying.
What are you doing, really?
Stop
Really?
filled.
Coming down that far? Where's the overnight low? Overnight low is way down here. IB low.
Sun's coming way down.
I still think we're just.
Crude oil
there's
came
low
back to
volumes.
VWAP on the day. Wow, crude oil bounced in the last 30 minutes. It bounced about 80 cents or so back up to the previous area that I had marked off as a possible support area. It could now act as resistance, but man, this is interesting. A lot of volatility in crude today. A lot of volatility.
Yeah. Long overdue, I think.
Yeah.
I think. All right, let's get up here. Let's get up above VWAP in the ES. VWAP on
Order
the
filled.
RTH session, on the US session, is currently sitting around 67.97, right kind of where we're at. We can get above this and get the point of control. The point of control is currently at 68.01 quarter, or 68.01, we'll call it. So, yeah, get right back up here. And the pink line on my chart is accurate. It is reflecting point of control where we're at currently. So that's good. You can follow along here. See if we get up here. Currently, I just got to take profit sitting outside the high of the day at 807.5. I'd love to see it. If it gets back up to this area, I may move it to beyond all-time high.
Stop filled.
I think we're
This
getting
is
there. I just think
definitely
we're
going
rotating,
down.
healthy rotations along the way.
Holy smokes.
Order
It's
filled.
actually a very good sign on the day to do this. This is a good sign. And let's see.
Yeah. Quick update. Silver is
Yeah, no,
just
I'm-
hanging at when it control from yesterday. Nothing really going on in the metals at the moment.
I think this
Gold
one's
is a little
gonna
bit
lose.
volatile. It come down in the last 20 minutes or so here, down like 15 bucks an ounce. Crazy, my goodness. But yeah, what were you saying, Sam?
Wow.
Yeah, no, my bias is short for now until we get to the bottom of the range. I'm all about a range day today. The open
Yeah.
is very choppy. I don't think we're really going to break out on either side. It's going to just range about. But we'll see. We'll see. I just
would love
can't
for
believe
that to
not
we're
be the
short
case.
so early.
I know.
I want the market oracle to not be market oracling. Could you please market oracle something else, Sam? Could you market oracle a trend day?
What would you like the
possibly?
market to do? Uptrend day, downtrend day. What would you like? I'll bully the Nasdaq to do it.
Honestly, I don't even mind whichever one suits everybody best.
Yeah,
you know?
exactly.
Uh,
Oh, come on, you little sucker. Come on. We're at 80. Get below that. Let's get up there. What is happening, Romel? Welcome, welcome.
Ramel.
Yeah, everyone did have their haircut. I had my haircut too. I didn't do it today. I'll do it tomorrow. I did it yesterday.
very small very small hairs that were
Darryl
cut,
went for
but they
the,
were.
It's just a close. It's a
the
close.
permanent
It's a close scalp. Yeah, you know, if I was a real scalper like Sam, I could say, man, I really take it to heart. But you know, see what happens.
Isn't that ironic?
permanent
Isn't
hair.
that ironic?
I know.
That's pretty
I
funny.
know. Yep. Yeah.
Oh, man.
All right. Michigan consumer sentiment coming out. Coming out.
Yeah.
Coming out. Coming
Yeah.
out when Sam does the news. It'll be out.
Right at
the
VWAP.
news-
All right, let's get back
Yeah.
off of this. There we
Oh, it's
go.
not
Get
happening?
Back to the north.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not happening today? Oh, okay. All right, good. We'll see it.
Ooh, maybe it's back up now.
That'll be our news.
350 says, shave the beard and keep the stash. Sam, just like you've always said, you should be just a stash man.
Shave the beard, keep the stash. I think I might go for that for the mustache look. I feel like I would have more respect in everyday life if I rocked the mustache.
You love singing Matt Guy. You like Tom Selleck. I mean, you know.
Exactly.
Dun, 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 dun.
So the Dow, NASDAQ, you have pop off of point VWAP, the continuous VWAP, so good. But the Dow went through continuous, actually trying to hold support at today's value area highs. If we could get both the Dow and the NASDAQ to just agree with each other, would be very nice. Yes, we could get into here on the ES. That is pending probably about 3 or 4 minutes of price action here. So if we can't get some cushion.
Copy audio.
The Ron Jeremy look. Sam shouldn't have lost all that weight. He could have kept up the Ron Jeremy look. You know, packed on the size and the big old point. You know. Oh man, Ron Jeremy. That dude did die yet? He's looking. Dude, yeah, always looked horrible though.
Order filled.
North.
Order filled.
Yeah, I agree with you, Paul. I think that's right. It's doing the same thing that it did yesterday.
Yeah.
All right, let's get above VWAP here. Let's get above VWAP. I am finally back into the. That was ugly. That was ugly.
Shave the beard.
We're okay.
Keep the tash.
I
Yeah,
think you meant stash, but yeah.
I might do it.
Nah.
I might.
I have
I mean, you get a
5
really-
gig internet.
You got when you have a full
I
head
have-
of hair.
Yeah, I was gonna say, yeah, every gig, so I think it's a problem for.
It's not. Yeah, I have a gig.
would
I have a
not
gig
be-
fiber as well. Yeah, I'm the same
Like-
as got 1 gig fiber through the street.
Order
lightning
filled.
quick. I have no issue.
Right.
Let me see. Are we?
Come on, don't go
All
against
right.
me.
Getting very thin now, right before this Eastern data.
Yep.
Data dump 20
Yeah.
seconds for the consumer, and then for
Well, I'm gonna sit in my trade. I'm sitting in my trade still. See what happens here.
Yeah.
Let's see what happens. Yeah, good. Okay. That's probably why.
Let us know in the
That's
chat
why.
what you're trading. Are you seeing any trades?
Chris says Mohawk.
What is
is
everyone
feminine.
trading?
Oh goodness.
What's
Alright,
happening,
1958.
Cristoforo? What is happening?
Chris-
Cristoforo Mohawk. Yeah, I know. Oh boy. Oh boy. Hey, Chris, they're making fun of my haircut. So they're making fun of your haircut too, man. I need some backup. Calling me shiny boy. But I told them, see, you're not a scalper either, Chris. You're more of a swing trader. But wouldn't it be fitting for guys like you and I to be true scalpers? And we can just say, hey, every day we just come ready to scalp the market. Yeah. Doing a bunch of analysis. Of course you are. Ooh, what's going down?
Guys,
There's your
I'm
reaction.
just 4 points short.
No, you did not.
Oh
It's
boy.
4 points short. It's a practice account, so I don't
Wow.
care.
No, you did.
Okay.
Did you
all
really
right.
though?
Good-
Are you
good
serious?
report.
God
I am
dang.
so adamant we're going down. I 4 points short.
Oh,
What I
damn.
saw there on the footprint, I was like, oh yes, here we go. I'm up 10 grand already.
It's good to practice
Wow.
account. Like
That's your
very good
consistency rule.
you know, transparency there,
So
everybody.
go back up
you
a wall
know.
now. No, yeah, I wouldn't do this on
Right.
anything that mattered. This is literally a
an
practice
actual-
account, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Inflation, 5-year inflation in line. Everything's in line.
I'm gonna try to hold this
hmm.
all the way down.
You're not going to
Come
get it
on.
all the way down. It's going to go back up right now.
No,
It's not going to go down. It's going back up.
Buyers are weak. The buyers are weak. The sellers are absorbing them. It's fine. There's just a little bit of profit taking. Oh, come on, buyers! You're being maddened. You're being mad. Come on! I can't believe I'm holding 15 contracts right now. This is insane. Oh, I should have got out at 10 grand. Back down to 3.
I wonder what that. I wonder if that was just a sweep. There's nothing in the news. The consumer print was good. Probably just an algo sweep.
Didn't pay
That
attention
sucks.
to the footprint.
That sucks.
I'm gonna hold
All right,
it.
get back on the
It's
horse.
not every day you're full port short. Full port short. Come on, there we go.
Sure it is. Every day we pull port short.
You rejected off that gap. You should be shooting down like a madman. Come on, let's undo the open.
I think it is a down day. I don't want to believe it, but it is.
Undo the open. Come
Sounds
on.
like
There we go. Oh, this is insane.
it's gonna pop up
Ah,
on you here,
sugar
man.
cubes. I'm not sharing. Let me share the screen.
Oh, sugar cubes. Oh, sugar cubes.
Ah, don't do anything.
Ah.
Backhand can show my screen. All right, I've put a even thing in just in case because this is madness.
15.
All right, I
Look
told
at
you.
that.
The moment this candle
Oh,
up
Jesus.
here, the moment that
Jesus.
candle started pushing down, and I just saw buyers like squirming, I was like, full port, why not?
Dude, what's your unrealized? Like 9? Oh my God, that's so funny. That is so funny, dude.
It went down all the way
book
to like
is empty,
10K
Spad.
at one point, 12, 11K.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get down to the bottom here. I feel like we can do it. Don't mess around now. I need to keep looking at the footprint. Either way, I've got into break even, so like, you know what I mean? It's nothing.
Yeah,
I'm kind
yeah.
of technically safe.
Yep.
Even though every fiber of my body
push up.
wants me to click exit right now. Don't push up. Yeah, let's just push down. It'll be fun. Come on. Let's not do this now. It's a Friday. Be good to me, NQ. Be good. You want me to bully you, NQ? That's it. Good boy. Drop down, NQ. Do what you have to do.
Nah, it's just gonna retest that. It's gonna say thanks for playing, Sam. There's the buyers.
Come on. on, NQ. There's no buyers. There's no buy. NQ, I'm going to smack you if you don't drop down. Drop to 25,296. 25,296, I'll disown you. I'll leak all your secrets and all the embarrassing information of you. I will call your parents, NQ, and get you in trouble.
Who's this daddy? Who's the daddy? The ES? Is the
Dow.
ES the daddy?
ES and Dow.
Uh-huh.
Dow's the uncle, ES is the daddy. And
Yeah.
I don't know who the mother is. The mother is Nvidia, I don't know.
The mother.
Oh, come on, NQ.
The little brother's the Russell. Aptly named
That's
Russell.
it. Russell's the little brother.
Russell, yeah.
I will kidnap Russell if you do not push down. You want to protect your little bro?
Kidnap.
Then you got to push down, NQ.
Oh, dude, it's laughing at you right now. It knows that you're just false threats. It's like, yeah.
You got to push down, NQ.
Oh man. All right, we're gonna move. We're gonna switch into the market momentum segment. So just hold
there's
on.
trap
We're rolling.
sellers.
There we go, baby. Go to the upside. See the market momentum. We got the buying momentum right when we switched to market momentum. The buying momentum came in.
Technically, I
Tiger, what's happening? What is happening, Tiger? Yes, Sam is trying to whip it around, talk nasty to it. But I don't know, man. I think today it's like, Sam, it's Friday. I'm not listening to you. There we go.
Stop. It's either going to stop me out break even or it's going to go to my TP. I'm not looking because I can't bear this anymore.
Come on. Get back
like
up
holding
there,
trades.
baby. Dude,
Come
this is
on,
the
NQ,
longest I've
do me
ever
a
seen you
favor.
hold. This is the longest you've
know.
ever held in your life. Ever.
11K as
Look at the
well,
strength coming back.
11
Holy moly, roll, baby. Roll
Oh,
up
the pain.
there, baby.
The pain.
That's what you get for full porting, dude.
pain.
That's what you get. That's what you get.
The pain. I'm going to full port again at some point. The pain. Why? See, this is why I don't hold. Nah, it's going to keep dropping. It's got to drop. All right, show me
No, it's
something
not.
good and I'll full port again, NQ.
It's above the
Show me
VWAP. It's
something
heading,
good.
dude. It's.
You know
We're
what?
going back up to
5 I'm not full
6805.
porting. I'm going
Yes.
5 contracts in. 5 contracts. I
That's
feel like
good.
it can do it.
That's respectable. Okay, that's respectable.
We'll do that.
Ooh, little
And I'm going to
pullback.
trade
I
more.
did,
At the moment I see absorption.
Yeah,
Absorption
yeah.
happening. I'm just going to do my normal trading of in and out. The moment I see absorption, the moment I see,
$1,000.
there you go, secured another 900 or whatever that was.
$1,000.
Fine.
Yeah. Oh,
Did a little
beautiful.
quick short on
Beautiful.
LE. I'm in a
Nice.
short cattle position at the moment, but it's looking for just a quick jump down to some liquidity, possibly.
That's a
I'm
good
in my
move
other
right there.
account. It's in my other account here. Hold on, because I'm trying to say I'm trying to go between
You're doing
challenge
what I'm
accounts
doing.
essentially.
Yeah, you're doing what I'm doing today. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just trying to preserve one.
Yeah, it's a little
work on
tricky.
another. So I'll take this one. If not, we'll kind of be net. We'll be ever so slightly net positive on the day between the two accounts. But the only thing here is where my stop is, right above where my stop, a bunch of liquidity just popped up on the offer. So not a huge fan of that. This isn't looking the greatest now that liquidity just popped up. But there's some big liquidity both to the downside and to the upside. So we'll see. We'll see if sellers
yeah.
can't keep control here.
Enter 97, 90. Wow. I gotta update. My position. Hold here at VWAP. Be nice. Come on. There you go. You want to say hello to your little friend again at 6805. Get up there.
I'm back in short again. I feel like we are going to drop. It's just been a bit slow. Back in short, 5 contracts. Come on. There we go.
Nice.
There we go. There we go.
Might get.
Come on.
Might get taken out here.
Don't get absorbed so quickly. That was way too quick, the absorption.
Yeah.
We're sitting right on VWAP and mid. We're right in the middle of. We're exactly in the middle of this opening distribution here today. So, you know, again, and point of control is right below us in the ES. We're just all in an area where they're happy trading at, right? And so it's hard to get in the trade
there's
here
trap
'cause you can lead the way.
buyers. Right here, there's trap buyers where we currently are in price. There's trap buyers. I do not want to see them getting out right here. If we start rejecting a bit heavy on here, come on, don't let them.
Get up.
You're
There
letting
you
them
go.
out.
Get up there.
You're letting them
Break
out.
up. Break up.
You're letting them out.
Don't let them out
No,
now. Come on,
no.
trap more buyers and then
Cheap.
push down. That's what you want to do, right?
Like expensive view.
What's the cumulative? I haven't even
Want
looked at
the
the
most
cumulative.
expensive view.
All the cumulative is very on the sell side, but that's not good. It's not good news. The sellers haven't really pushed it down. The cumulative is very, very negative.
Did get
It's gone up.
Did get taken out of my cattle short, so I'm down on that account like 155. Up on the other one 212, so slightly green on the day, but might get back in at some point here.
Come on, sellers.
Chris.
Push down.
I don't know what
you
you're
want to get down here.
Chris is like, Sam is learning why I don't scalp. Yeah. Yeah, me too.
We might lose.
Tiger's got his
30.
25-year high school reunion tonight.
Okay,
Yeah, that's
count
cool,
ready.
man.
Wait.
We did
Wow.
we did 10-year increments. We did like 10, 20, 30, I don't know, 25-year. That's cool though. That's cool. That is cool.
There you go. Come on, sell pressure coming. Why are the sellers getting absorbed so quickly? There's no need for it. NASDAQ, I will go over there and I will hurt Russell. That's not even a threat anymore.
Russell.
NASDAQ,
Look at this.
if you want to protect your little bro Russell, you're going to have to do what I say right now. You're
Your
going to have to
little
start
bro.
dropping. That's it. Trap those buyers. That's it.
Your little bro Russell.
But you're going to drop more
Gonna
than
get
that.
smacked.
You're going to drop more than that. You're going to keep going. There we go. There's the pop I'm waiting for. There we are. Now keep going. Don't lose that momentum. If you start losing momentum, Russell's getting it. I'm telling you that right now. You'll say goodbye to Russell. That's it. All right, you're
You
adding
got a lot of
pressure
whippy
there, but
reaction,
you're
though. This is
getting
good.
absorbed.
You wanted a
he's
range
getting
day. You
absorbed.
got a
I'm getting
range day,
out.
my friend. We are
I'm
whipping
out.
right around. We are right around this
Order
developing high
filled.
volume node. It's very, very obvious. This is I mean, it's healthy. Keep yourself healthy. But it's healthy right here. This is good. It's a good sign.
350s. Guys, who's Russell? Russell is NASDAQ's little brother that he loves dearly. And if you threaten Russell, NASDAQ will comply with whatever you say. As I just
Russell-
showed you
Russell-
right there live.
Russell weighs about 2,000 pounds. There's a lot of things in Russell. We're talking about the Russell 2000 index stock, the small cap index. So we're just making fun of the indices related with NQ, with the Nasdaq, S&P, Dow, and Russell. So we should throw in. We can't. Sam, if we're gonna do this, you got to be an equal opportunist. You got to throw in the FTSE. You got to throw in the DAX. You got to throw in, you got to throw in the Nikkei. You got to throw in. We got to throw some other indices around the world. So like
NASDAQ's
the FTSE could be like
English
the grandma.
cousin,
I don't know.
FTSE. Oh, the English grammar, yeah, the FTSE.
Maybe
the German cousin, the DAX.
Yeah,
And then
the
he's
German
got a
cousin, correct?
Japanese high school friend as well. An old college buddy.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, man. It's hilarious. Yeah, it was an international boarding student friend that he had.
That's it.
Stop filled.
It's
Let's see
pushing
if we
down
come down
right
here.
now, but
Take out the overnight. Let's see. This is good. This is
considering
good.
I was saying,
Gotta respect
don't
this
think
level,
I'm gonna
though.
have many trades today.
I know.
Order
Yeah.
filled.
Kind of. But again, the reason I'm short, guys, very very simple. That gap was created.
Order filled.
And generally speaking,
Stop filled.
you know, when price breaks through it and comes back to retest, I look for a continuation. So I was happy to short it.
Stop
The footprint
filled.
also told me, you know, the buyers were getting trapped, and I know that. And I also have, like, from the beginning, from the open, it looked like it would be a rangy day, just based on how the contracts were being traded. So
Right.
until we get to the bottom of the range, like around 25 260 or so, I probably won't be looking to buy. But now that we're dead in the middle, it can be a bit annoying. So I'm not really looking to trade in the middle of the range.
Yeah. Yep, exactly.
Wow.
Exactly. I've gone short now. I've gone short because we've come down to below this. I put this little purple band in here for you guys to see. We were kind of in this, point of control is here at, it's actually a little bit lower than where it shows on this chart. It's like 92, 3/4 or so. It's close, but point of control's here. VWAP's up at 95. This was a big fat, distribution that we were sticking around. And if we got below it, right now, I wanted to get short. So we were in this area. We've now broken through. We weren't holding. We're continuing to go down. So that's why I got short for a breakout to the low to retest not only the IB, which my IB is still not set. So this is moving, but the overnight low is down here. This is the overnight low down this line here. So let's see if we get there. Trade management's the same for me. I don't do anything different. I trail, I try to get break even, just let the trade do what it wants to do. And if it doesn't, then it takes me out.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
85, okay. Yeah, oh, come on.
I am now at break even on my new cattle short that I had. We did finally break the level that I was looking at. I literally just got taken out at a break even as soon as we just switched over to my chart, unfortunately. Was up 120 on that at one point, and then we quickly retraced back. When we were up 120, I moved my stop to break even quickly in case there was going to be a little bit of a whip upwards. I'm trying not to risk too much on this account.
Pick up a little bit.
And unfortunately, we didn't just go and try and take that liquidity out real quickly. It's been a very choppy. It's been choppy on this downtrend here. So could look to short back up at the 21 period EMA, the purple line, if we get back up there and buyers struggle a bit. But I don't want to short again right here. I definitely need to wait for a little bit more of a pop if I am going to short.
I flattened out. I'm changing my bias. I'm going long.
Yeah, we bounced right off the value area high on the ES, 67.84. That was right off the value area high of the previous day. So,
and it's where we opened. We came down to where we opened, and I think the move. Yeah. I think we may have seen the low of the day. That's just my opinion.
Yeah,
I may be wrong.
Of course,
but I'm switching sides now.
On a 300K account.
Of course.
Actually, I shouldn't say I'm switching sides because I was always long on the day. I just took that short right there to get a further move, but I think we're going up. Let me get in.
Sorry, guys. Give me. I don't know if my
Sure.
Can you hear me, Daryl?
Yeah.
I hear you.
Oh yeah. Give me
hear
2
you.
minutes. I just need to take this really quick. All right.
Yeah. Look
All
at
right,
that,
nice
dude.
little
Look
pop.
at that. Look at that. Look at that. Just that's intuition, though. That's just nothing. I'm not going to take credit like I knew anything would happen. I had a feeling just from looking at this thing all the time. And I just was like, I think. Now, I made a bold statement there too. I said the low is in for the day. I don't know if it is. Don't hold me to that. Because anything's possible. But I think right now we're going back up. Range up and get back up to the outer edge again. We'll see.
Yeah.
Where are we at?
Yep.
It's down to last one.
Okay.
We're at point of control.
Yeah.
This is where point of control's at. If we travel through it, can we go through the other side? Can we make it to the other side? Or do we hold this level and rotate back down? I'd like to see it continue, obviously. Come on. There we go.
Definitely
There we
is.
go.
Well,
Hit.
All right.
But you're playing it very well.
On my other account.
assuming it is
Yeah.
a range day, you're playing it well. So
Oh, no.
you'd be looking to get out somewhere in maybe the middle or towards the top end of the range. It's not bad.
I got to take profit right at 02-ish. But, I mean, and you know, I can move it around, but I probably should put it, I should let this thing play out and really go to the, you know, north of the IB or the high of the day so far, but we'll see. I don't need to be so aggressive yet. Just let it come to me. You know, like you said, it's still got to come. It's still got to go through this low volume in order to get to that.
We got this
anyway,
other trade
right?
that's
So-
long.
And that's what I think we can't lose sight of as traders. Is like sometimes we're looking at certain levels or we set targets based on something, but you have to understand, in order for price to get to either direction, it has to get through. It has to, in futures, you've got buyers and sellers, and it takes buyers and sellers to move the market. You know, I remember Sam was saying this like 15 minutes ago, or maybe a little longer, when we started to take some trades after it opened this morning, and he was saying, man, I see a lot of these sellers coming in, but the buyers keep going up. Why? These sellers are coming in? Why? This is not a criticism on Sam. I know he was just talking out loud with what he was seeing, but I was going to interject to him and say, well, if the buyers are going to keep going up, and this is when it was ripping up pretty fast, it takes a lot of sellers coming in, right, to convert their stops or market orders into market orders for the price to keep going quickly up. So it's fuel. It's just fuel. Yeah, it could be to where it gets there's so much sellers to where now they're really holding, they're aggressively absorbing, and you're starting to see the divergence on the footprint that he sees where they're trapped and it starts to roll down. But in the interim, until that happens, there could be a whole lot of buyers and a whole lot of sellers, and the market is moving with a ton of volume as much as it could be with very little volume. It's the same thing. It's all relative. It's like tug of war. Think of playing tug of war, and you got maybe 12 men on one side, 12 men on the other, and they're fighting back and forth. But then if you have tug of war and you've got 1,000 men on one side and 1,000 men on the other, it still does the same thing, right? It's just more strength, and it's still doing the equal opposite kind of push pull. So, but it's fuel.
Yeah.
So
no, really well put. Really well put. And you can also take that analogy a bit further. There's times where you could have 1,000, 500 people on one side and only 50 people on the other, but it will still go in the 50 people's side.
Right.
But that's because,
yes,
it's 50 men versus 500 toddlers, right? Do you know what I mean? You can see it like that.
Exactly.
Like
yeah. Exactly. Or they're backing off the gas. Or it could be the same men, could be the same size men, 50 versus 500, but they're like, you know what, we're not going to play anymore. They're just letting go of the rope or what have you, right? So they're giving in. They're like pulling, literally pulling, like like pulling their orders, but they're literally pulling the rope, figuratively. So
No.
Oh, absolutely. Well,
Back to
Alright,
the top
this
of the
is
range.
good. This is a good reversal that I bailed out on and jumped in on.
Nice.
Yeah, keep up the likes, everybody. I hope you guys are enjoying. We're providing a lot of value. I hope you guys think that. I certainly feel that we're providing a lot of value here, the three of us. And you guys in the chat are providing value because you guys are interacting with each other, which is really awesome. So keep up the likes. Help us grow this channel. We want to be here every day like we've been for months and months and months now. So give us a like and bring your friends over. Bring your interested trader friends or your current trader friends if they've been trading a long time or just want to learn about it or don't know what futures or Forex or anything is. Bring them over to the channel. I guarantee you they'll learn a lot more in a short period of time from us than they will by scouring the internet or watching some kind of webinar. So, and they can ask questions too. Why all the talk about men? Yes, Chris, I know. I know. Someone told us we had to
Chris,
talk about
we're trying to
rugby
look.
or something.
We're trying to, Chris. We're trying to do conversation that reflects our viewers and what
That
they
he relates
wanna
to.
hear. So, and the back end, we're like, oh, Chris is in the chat. You know what you need to talk about, guys. So, you know.
Yes, yes.
You're
Hot,
welcome,
sweaty
Chris.
man for Chris. Yes, yes.
Stop filled.
We got you covered, buddy.
Damn.
We got you covered. Have your jackets had an opening night yet, Chris?
Gone
I
in
think they may
short
have.
again. I am
Check-
short
let me
5
check the
contracts.
schedule. Let me check the schedule. Good. You're short?
Just jumped in
It
short.
was good.
I trailed to
Should've
Back
took
end, you
that.
want to switch to me real quick?
Should've kept that.
It's too late. I'm out. You missed this. It's too late. I'm out.
Order filled.
I basically, to the point of control, I got in again at the gap and pretty much got out as we got near the point of control there. Again, one candle scalp.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see that. I just checked this. I just checked this, but it wasn't. It was in Nashville, so you guys haven't had your opening night yet. Probably next game.
We can
Oh,
go back to
God.
that
Family.
in the trade.
Family went to the opening night Flyers Panthers
Alright,
game actually yesterday.
that's probably gonna be
Unfortunately for
one
them,
too.
Yeah.
Flyers
Okay.
lost. But
In Philly, not the banner raising game in Miami, right? Not that.
no,
Oh,
no,
we're gonna announce
no.
this
It's
here.
just it
It's
was the
not.
Panthers' second game
The
of the year,
Flyers.
I think, but it was the
In-
Flyers' first
got it.
game
Yeah.
in Florida.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, I got it.
yeah.
Anyways, we do gotta go to work. All the loves. Peace.
All right.
Later.
That would have been a good short to hold a bit
We
longer.
are
to be
not
fair,
doing
but
so
never
well
mind.
on our trades
It's fine.
today.
That was a
We
great
lost
short.
a little bit of control here on our 300K account.
But I'm happy. I'm still happy.
Coming
I
down.
don't think we will make it
Just
through.
pull back
that
to point of
one.
control on the ES. Let's see if it holds here.
You know what's funny? Today, when I looked at the market, I was like, I don't see anything really
The
happening
end of the
today.
month, Bill will
So,
trickle on
I was like, I'm not going to trade my cash account. I'm just going to
next month
take a day
on
off.
it, and you know,
And
Yeah.
do what we actually have.
now I'm seeing trades left, right, and center. I'm like,
More
damn.
accounts that we will be looking at.
Well, that's
Next
what I'm.
week
That's what I'm
anyways.
saying.
Created all the
It's
areas.
it's.
We will be
yeah,
trucking.
we
along
never
really
know
hard on our
what it's gonna be like.
strategies.
Which is why it's so important if you want to be here. You know, the next
We
day
do
you gotta
have
preserve your capital. You
a
can't. You know, you gotta be careful
Coaching
with
session.
your accounts and what have you, because you want to come. You want to be
Tuesday.
here because
That's gonna
we
be
really
nice.
don't know what
Then we'll
is in
figure
store
it out.
for us on
Figure
any
it out.
day.
We're gonna
Any
figure this
day
whole
could
thing
be
out.
Totally different. A lot of volume.
Live
coming in
life
here.
Yeah.
the way it should.
IB is set
Peace.
now.